Hi, I'm Rick with Technical Prospects, bringing you another tech tip. Today I'm going to show you how to be able to Telnet into the Snac as well as ping it to make sure that it's working for a Symbia nuclear medicine camera. To gain access to the Telnet for the Snac, we're simply going to hit the Windows key, the Run, and then the CMD or command code. This will bring us up a command window. At this point, if we're having communications problems or suspect communications problems from the system to the Snac, we can simply type in ping SNAC, ping Snac. That will test the USB connection from the gantry to the Snac. As you can see here, we're getting a reply of the 172.16.1.7. That means we're talking. On the other side of this, if we needed to force a reboot of the Snac without getting into the other system, we can Telnet into the Snac by typing Telnet Snac, returning. This will give us a login. We're typing all lowercase, service, and then the password is Snac Inside, SNACINSIDE, all lowercase and no spaces. And now we're in service. To reboot the Snac remotely, I simply say, reboot me, and I press return. The connection is lost, but also the Snac is rebooting. For more tips like these, visit technicalprospects.com and click the Resources tab.